Okay, so I want you to draw me a head using proportion, and I'm going to talk about the proportion today. You're going to use your stylus, and this is going to be in paper 53. You're going to draw me an upside down egg, so something like that. And you're going to draw me a neck, because we do not want a decapitated head. And halfway between the top of the head and the bottom of the chin, I want you to draw a horizontal line that goes all the way across. This line's going to be curved because the face is curved. It's not flat, and it's going to show that curve. So the next thing I'm going to have you do is draw me a line, a vertical line from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin. Okay, so there's room along the head for 5 eyes to fit, and I'll show you what I mean in a sec. So there's room for 5 eyes across the face, and what I mean by that is if you kind of draw lines here, there's enough room for 5 eyeball spaces, and there's between each eye is enough room for another eye. So technically you could kind of fill this in and do this, okay, which looks kind of alien-like. But you can come in, and one eye would be here, and one eye would be here, and you can draw in the eyelid and then the eyeball. Now, you never want to draw in an eyeball like that because it will look like you have beady eyes and it'll look really weird. So you can come down that eye width, and halfway between this middle point and the bottom of the chin, you can draw a line, and that would be the bottom of the nose. And the nose is at least as wide as the inside of the eye to the inside of the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in my nose. Okay, like that-ish. And then a third to a halfway down from the bottom of the nose to the chin is going to be the lips. And they're going to look something like that. The ears going to be about there, and then do not forget hair, okay? Hair is important to making people look like people. And eyebrows would be somewhere here-ish. So there's my person. Her hair is tucked behind her ears, I decided. And I'm going to go ahead and use a different color and draw her in so that you can kind of see where things would be. So there's my person. And that would be the proportions to create a head. So now what I want you to do is I want you to create your own head, and using these proportions, and do the best job you can in line. And you should probably spend, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and just do a line drawing of the head.